What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Built. Today we are here with
Aice.
What'd you bring, Aice?
My 1995 SC300.
The SC300 is an interesting chassis. I know a lot of people compare it to the Supra, right?
Yeah.
Why did you pick the SC300?
Oh, it was like my only option back in the days. I wanted a 240 originally, and that car's for sale, by the way.
You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this?
Yeah, I want to get a 240 after.
This is gonna get a lot of hate. This is kind of in that realm of the 240 with
Cringing watching it.
without the drift tax,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
These are coming up on the drift tax though.
Yeah,
we're
for
about to
sure,
say
yeah.
for sure.
Well, the suspension parts are Supra
Yeah.
wise. You can slap anything that is suspension wise with a Supra to this car.
All right, it's bright yellow. You said it's wrapped or is it paint?
Wrap. I wrapped it myself.
Way better than I probably could have done. I mess up one panel, I give up, and I'm taking it to a friend's shop.
No, well, I worked on this overnight while it was raining, thanks to Miles over there. You're not supposed to wrap when it's cold. I know that as a wrap person, but you know, I just wanted the kit to be done.
And at the end of the day, it is that drift car,
Yeah, it is
drift
a drift
style,
car,
so
so,
you
like,
can get
yeah.
away with it. That's definitely not a stock body kit.
It's a BN style body kit from Russia. Someone that drifts in the East Coast, he's like a professional drifter-ish, recommended me it. Like the fitment's literally mint. As a rep kit, it literally cost $800 less than the original body kit.
That's in my mind, going rep kits for something like this makes way more sense.
Exactly.
Unless you're gonna be like trailering it to shows and everything.
Especially California roads.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll cut to it later, but something happened on his way in here with the rear bumper. We'll get to that in a second.
But
what is that? So how much is it? 200 bucks? But no one knows what it is, right?
No one knows.
Sure, he's got one.
Oh yes, it's very nice, sir.
I told him we already got one.
I don't need
I'll be honest, I haven't seen that as often. You know,
gatekeeping it. No one knows.
What about the wing? Is the wing stock? You know, I'm surprised you didn't do clear tails.
Yeah, a bunch of people have been telling me to go clear tails, and I feel like
if you would have kept it longer, would you have gone?
Yeah, I would have gone clear tails. No, but no one ever does clear tails in here because it's hard. There's only like 2 people that I know that has clear tails on there.
And I mean, what you can really tell now with the side profile of the car, that's a lot of camber. That's not tire-friendly camber either.
Well, before you go there, before you expose your camber specs, let's how about we go suspension? What kind of suspension you got?
Right.
Latest train. I got BC coilovers with Megan uppers in the front, Megan traction arms and tow arms. I need to get lower control arms though. 50mm spacer in the front. Double stacking.
50mm spacer.
Yeah.
Wait, what? You said 50?
50.
I thought he said 50.
US does not recommend you run 50mm
No,
spacers.
we do not recommend you double stacking.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, wait, I missed that. You double stack the spacers. Yeah, guys, if you use our vehicle gallery, you would know what wheel specs you can get for your car. Double stacking spacers isn't the...
Ace, that's a big no-no.
That's a big no-no.
Yeah, it's a big no-no. Only I can run it, right? No one else run it.
So then, what are these wheels? What are the specs on them? Obviously, we're gonna have to adjust for the 50mm of spacers in the front.
Yeah. These are 326 wheels. I am sponsored by them.
Fancy
Those are 326 lug nuts also. They are 18.5 squared, -2s all around. Just because I wanted the same lip and the whole thing.
Wait, that's stock. So it's -2.
-2.
So with so what is it? Negative
spacers.
Negative
It's like,
52.
yeah, -52.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Camber is at -14 in the front, -6 in the rears. But the only reason why I got -2s is in the future if I were to keep this car and if I were to get an angle kits typically run 50mm wide.
Okay.
And so
there's a method to the madness, but I hear you're selling.
Yeah. But if it doesn't sell, yeah, you can see me later on with like a kit, angle kit.
I know we had this debate on the last episode. We were talking about the lug nuts as well, whether you should run cheaper ones or nicer ones. Are these? Do you know the price on the? Are these considered
these are $300 a whole set.
Okay.
So
that's not bad either.
Yeah, it's not bad,
We were talking about, I forgot who it is. I think it's OMG Miata. Has like the $1,000 set of lug nuts.
Is it the titanium ones?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to take them off with the towel.
Much.
That's too much. See, even he says too much.
$1,000 for a lug nut? Come on.
Yeah, no, exactly. Did it come from a tire shop? What tire do we have on here?
The back is Continentals. The fronts are, I don't even know because I always get China. If you're running camber, just get like China brands. You know, they easily stretch.
Cheaper wheels. Usually they actually stretch a lot better.
Yeah,
We're having this debate. Falcon tires, which I love, and I always try to run Falcons on my cars. They don't stretch as well.
Yeah. So China brands are always easy.
I don't like to say China brands. You can pick up Ironmans. Ironmans run really well.
Some Ling Longs.
Some Ling Longs.
Yeah. No, but we get your point.
So I know you run a lot of cambers, -14 in front. Yeah. So do you ever miss a flip?
No, I never missed a flip, actually.
I've met this fool
Ever.
Maybe 3 times occasions he's always flipping his tires. Remember?
Yeah, that's solid because I won't do that. I'll pull up to the tire shop like after like a month or so. I'm like, oh, I'm fine. I'll just throw it over. And they're like, I don't know if we can flip the tire. You're showing cord now. And I'm like, you can
do the flip. Hey,
so how?
Never missed a flip.
So how many times a month do you go see Andy?
Let's see. I slide the car every time, every weekend. So probably like once a month.
I get lazy. My car's in the backyard, half taken apart right now.
Really? What kind of car do you have?
GS300.
Oh, okay.
W58 manual swap.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I have too.
Oh, okay.
But I have the MK4 one.
You guys gonna make out now? Or?
I got a Mark III one, but people don't even know that. You want to pop the hood? Let's see.
Oh, yeah,
I heard turbo noises when you were coming in. I mean, if you're watching this video, you probably know. So is it NAT build? NAT build? Yeah.
No.
NAT build?
No.
If you guys didn't know already, you know you gotta have it right in the front there.
Oh,
1JZ.
Yep.
Damn, look at that.
Say, would you look at this?
Oh,
all right, you want to tell us what's all going on here?
We got a Precision 6262 with a teal 44mm wastegate. We also have a radium fuel rail. We have 10 65cc injectors, and it clicks loud because of the injectors. But we have drift motion, pulleys all around.
And I think all the JDM Supra, not Supra fanboys want to know how much horsepower this is making.
This is making about 500 horsepower.
And you know it's a reliable setup too, right?
It is. I guess over 450 to 500 is just pushing it.
Yeah.
For a street car,
and I mean, you don't really use all that power all the time, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. And then this probably goes the same thing with the road course guys and everything. You're going to prioritize seat time, and you want more reliability if you're going to do drifting and everything, right? So that's cool. This is a really nice setup. Funny enough, I feel like I don't see precision turbos used.
Yeah, used a lot.
It's used a lot on
a lot of people use Garrett, or we got a Mickey Mouse oil catch can.
If it does its job, it's
exactly.
If it does its job,
drift build unless you got a Mickey Mouse something, right?
If I were to keep this car, I'd clean the engine in the future.
Anything else you want to point out?
No leaks.
That's cow! That's cow!
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Reliability.
We'll have to double check when he leaves the spot, guys.
No,
we're gonna fact check him. Oh, he's referencing.
The only thing that's leaking is the brake line.
What?
That's like,
no leaks. Wait a minute. Hold on.
But it's little. It's little.
Okay.
It's little. It's not.
I think I would go as far as to say that's like the last thing I'd want to leak. I'd take an oil leak. I'd take. This guy said my brakes are leaking.
But no, it rarely leaks.
Okay.
Like there's no leak marks anyway.
That's true.
Yeah, just cut to a clip of my GS pouring power steering.
Power steering.
That nice.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
that's Jay-Z problem.
What do we got?
Hold up, before we enter the interior, what's going on here? What's
the
this?
carbon forged window visor.
Weight reduction.
Real.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've ever seen that.
I
Real.
haven't seen
real
that.
carbon
Are you gonna
forged.
gatekeep that too? Because I've never seen
Yeah,
that.
I am gonna gatekeep
God
that.
damn it.
Look at that.
I actually really like that.
Real.
Oh, dang, it is.
I was gonna say you don't see that often, and I'll get close to my phone too. You don't really see that often where they're real. It's usually like just wrapped over plastic.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's actually real.
That's cool.
No, Ace was like, damn, I can't wrap this. Let me just buy the new one. That's cool. I've never seen that before. So is it like that or it's stuck like that?
What do you mean? No, it works.
Okay, bonus points right there. All right.
If we're gonna take away one thing from these older JDM cars, the window motor might fail. You might have another thing with the side windows or whatever. Sunroof will never fail.
Yeah,
at least
sunroof,
in my
yeah.
I've never seen one fail. I mean,
unless people like take it apart.
Right now, in my front driver window, it's like failing to go back up and whatnot.
Oh yeah.
Sunroof works fine.
Oh, you know. Oh.
You want to know why? It's because you don't fucking. No one uses that much.
No, JDM stuff.
I use it all the time, Nico.
90s cars.
Wait,
especially Lexus cars.
Oh yeah. Oh, you want
this?
Your door doesn't
You
work.
want to tell them what you did to my car?
I didn't break it. All right, I didn't even. Shit, oh my god. All right.
It's like, oh, can I film a video with your Lexus? I'm like, why can't we get the hood open?
No.
I didn't. How do you open a hood too hard? I just opened it like it was my Toyota.
Too hard, bro. Not broke the latch, but the cable came.
Cable?
Yeah.
No.
Whatever.
It's fine. It works. I see some Energy, sparkly seats. Shout out to the boys at Energy, Prisma, Energy seat brackets too.
We're missing one more right there.
Drift car things.
Wait, what was he missing?
No. Moon power, garage moon power, couple floor mats. We got a DND steering wheel. We don't have the quick release, sadly. Cube short shifter on MK4 W58 tripod.
Now is it actually a Mark IV?
Yeah, it is a
W58.
Mark IV. Yeah, it's the tripod ones, the rare ass one.
Yeah.
But you know what? You pay for something that blows up. Like
what stage clutch?
I have
I was going to say I was surprised W58's holding. Usually it's like
Yeah.
Everyone's like, oh, it can't go more than 300 horsepower. We can't go more than 100. You're gonna blow your shit up.
I have action clutch stage 3. Before it was stage 2, and went from first to second to third, and my old transmission blew up.
We're gonna blow a transmission?
Blow a transmission today?
I mean, yeah, I'll do a couple donuts.
Well, let's see what it sounds like first.
Yeah, I want to hear this.
Startup, it does have a idle air control valve delete, so it started up. It's like a running at E85, I guess. Like
You made it seem like it wasn't gonna start up at all.
Yeah, wait, that started up first try.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah, it's solid.
Does it make boosty boy noises?
Let's see. Oh, actually, let's pop the hood.
That sounds nice. Can't go wrong with 1J though. Can't go wrong.
Now, does it have 2-step? It's okay.
Trying to think of ways to blow the motor.
No. It's pretty good. I like it. Sounds great. If you want to show us a little something, you don't gotta go too crazy. But
Let's go! Let's go!
do you want to take off the rear bumper first, or it's up to you? You want it to fall off? We're gonna let him warm it up. Yeah, we're gonna let him warm it up first. All right, let's see how he does. All right. Is this bumper dragging? Oh, wait. Oh, no. Let's take the bumper off. Good. That was good.
There was sparks coming. There's the exhaust one right here.
Damn, that's a cool spot in Mexico.
Yep. You clipped your exhaust, right?
Yeah, your exhaust.
You got a video of that, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I did.
You better.
I know. I'm gonna check.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Where can they find you if they want to check out this build or any future builds you might have?
I have an Instagram. It's Marlu_Manalid. Nico will put it in there. I also have a YouTube channel called Tilted Garage. We make tilted cars, you know, we go street drifting. Yeah.
If you guys like what you saw, make sure to check out our vehicle gallery, get some inspirations for your own build, and if you happen to have a sick car like this one, throw it down in the comments, send an email to ian@threepiece.us. We'd love to have you on the show. Again, take care. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next one.